Hey Marina, I am so excited that you're a speaker at the Get Serious About Sales Summit. Could you tease what you'll be teaching?
Oh, totally. I couldn't be more excited about this training because it's all about how to start making money online, even if you don't have anything to sell. Because that's one of the problems that most of us have when we're just starting out. We want to start making that money,
Mhm.
but we don't have a product, we don't have a service, we don't know where or even how to start. And this training will show you exactly how to do that.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. So click the link and sign up for the free Get Serious About Sales Summit, and you'll be able to learn from Marina and 50 other experts. We'll see you there, right? Click that link.
Absolutely.
Yay.